In this very quick video guide, we're going to see a calculator of stairs online. You can calculate actually other architectural elements, so you can use it for architecture, interior design. Right now, I'm just doing a search here in Italian. I've just typed calculator stairs, and you should find this in the first results. If you don't, I'm going to show you the name of the website, which is this one here. It's called zito.ru, and so you can just copy and paste the link. You can also translate the page. I'm translating right now in Italian, but you can pick another language. Just click there and translate it in the language that you're using with your browser. So that's the link right there. I'm just underlining it so you can check the spell. It's zhitouv.ru. So if you copy and paste this directly, you can access also, you can see here the English version or whatever language you need. So I'm going to go for Italian, but just going to explain everything that's happening here. It's basically a visualizer, so you can visualize your stairs in 2D or 3D. And you can also, again, do this with other architectural elements. I'm going to show you later how to do that. And these are some indications. So in the bottom, you will see all the different letters which are associated with different parts of these stairs or architectural elements. So these are some suggestions you may want to have a look at before you actually go into the designing part. So if I refresh the page, this is what you should see if you look for the stair calculator. So you have some recommendations, then you can also save and export in PDF, and you can share, you can send an email, and these are all the parameters for the measurements. Now, let's say that the epsilon, which represent the height, is going to be 3,300 millimeters. We are working in millimeters here. So you can see if I change the value, or let's say the width of the stair or the length of the stair, again, everything is in millimeters. So it goes by the thousand. So 3,000 means 3 meters. And then you just click on calculate with in the big green button in there, and it's just gonna recalculate everything. The 2D views in there, the front view, the side view, and it's gonna calculate the overall length and also the single steps and the height and the width. So on the right part, you can see each single length, and it's giving me now some recommendation. It's telling me that I need to do some adjustments on the overall length because it turns out that I have too small steps for the stairs. So I need to make the entire stair longer so that everything fits better. So I'm going to go here in the length, which is represented by the x. So epsilon is the height, x is the length. So you need to figure out a good way to fit this stair in there. So you just need to input some other value and see if it's going to work. So I'm going to type 5,000, which means 5 meters. And now it's telling me, okay, that's, a little bit better. It's suggesting me to add at least one more step. So I go in the C value, and this is where I add or remove steps. I'm going to type 19, and now it's telling me, well, this is fine because it's a comfortable stair. You are free to do whatever stair you want, but this is just going to tell you if it's going to work less or more or less good. So let me try to make this smaller again. So let's go for 4,000. And the height of a stair, I think it's, a standard height because usually the height of a room is 3 meters, plus we have 30 centimeters for the ceiling or, the roof or another floor. So usually that's going to be 3,300. And again, it's giving me some problems because it's telling me that I need more steps first, and there you go. So with 17 steps, I should do the trick. So it's a really helpful calculator if you're doing an architectural project or an interior design project, because you can quickly, understand how many steps you need, how much space you need for to place a stair like this. And also you can do it with spiral stairs and other types. Now, usually we need some extension of the single step in order to be more comfortable. So this is calculating here just the middle part of the step, which is too short now. And then we can change if we don't want to have the vertical parts of the steps, only the horizontal. And we can decide if you want to be lower than the actual floor that we are reaching, or if we want to go perfectly aligned with the top floor that we are reaching. So these are just small adjustments you can do or not do. Just be careful that it's not giving you some advices or some suggestions if something is too small or too thin or whatever. You can see here we are changing the thickness of the single steps. We can change the thickness of the railings on the side. And here we have all 2D views and drawings that, again, we can save, we can export, we can use in our project. And again, if you don't understand something, you just go back, check the indication here that will tell you about all the single values. So F is going to be the extension of the step, and it cannot be 0. Apparently, it needs to be at least needs to have 45 millimeters. So I'm gonna type 45 millimeters. That's the least. And let's see and there you go. Now it's fine. So we can now see, and we can flip also the direction of the stair with the all air value. And just check the various values in your own language and you'll be fine with it. It's really simple, quick, and easy to use. Now if you go in here, you can also change the language again. You can see I'm visualizing this in Italian, but you can pick all these languages here. And then this is the button for the other calculators, for roofs or for other types of stairs, like metal stairs or spiral stairs or fundaments or materials. There is a lot of stuff in here. Probably we're gonna do more video guides on these calculators, but if you're interested, please subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated. And if you want to support us in creating these video guides, please join the channel as a supporter. This will give us a lot of help and will help us to create more. So check out other video courses and video guides that we already have in the channel about 2D and 3D drawings and models. And that's it. So see you in the next video guide.